afternoon, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. Today we are going to learn new lesson. What is the lesson? Food we eat. What we are doing with the food? Food we eat means which type of food we have to eat. What does the food do? We are going to learn that. Okay? Here some of the questions are given, and below the answers of the questions are also given. We have to choose them. What are here? Look at the above picture and answer the following questions. Take the help of the below given answers. First question. What are the living and non-living things in the above picture? Here in this picture, what are the living things and what are the non-living things? So, one living thing is there, one non-living thing is there. What is that? Car is the non-living thing, man is the living thing. Man and also car. Where is the answer? A man and also car. Answer is given up. Next. What is the man doing? What is the man doing? He is moving the car. He is pushing the car. Pushing. He is pushing the car. Here answer is there. Why is he doing so? Why is he pushing the car? Why is he doing like that? The car might have run out of the fuel. Means no fuel. Fuel means there is no petrol. There is no diesel. That's what he is pushing. Next. What is the fuel that makes a car run? Oh, sorry, no. What is the man doing? Man is pushing the car. Why is he doing so? Because the food might have run out of car. Next. What is the fuel that the car might have run out of fuel? Fuel lekunda dem chedu run avadu. Fuel means the material which is used to, the liquid which is used to run. That is the waiter. Here, what is the fuel that makes a car run? What is needed? Diesel is needed, petrol is needed, gas is needed. Which fuel is needed to run a car? What fuel? Diesel is needed, no? Diesel is needed to the car. Petrol is needed to the bike. Gas is needed to the stove, to the cylinder. And also some cars, buses run with gas also. Konni gas kuda use chestayi. Okay? Gas tho kuda nadiche bannu untayi. The vehicles run with the petrol, diesel and gas. These three are needed to the vehicles to run. Okay? Next. Can the same fuel make the man push the car? The car is needed petrol, diesel and gas. The man also needed those to run. If we want to run, what we need? పరిగెత్తాలంటే నీకేం కావాలి? పెట్రోల్ కావాలా? You need petrol, you need gas, you need diesel. What do you need? What the humans need? What the living things need? Living things ఏం కావాలరా? మనం పరిగెత్తాలంటే మనకి ఏం కావాలి? We need what is this? We need energy. Where is it? Here. We need energy to work. We need energy to work. Where does he get it from? Where does he get where we are getting the energy? From where we are getting the energy? We are getting the energy from the food. Understand me? The vehicles needed gas, petrol and also diesel. But not the humans, but not the living things. Living things needed energy. We get energy from the food. Food is giving us energy. Okay? Come to next. Find out from the following pictures. What is the milk? What is the milk for a boy? What is the grass for a cow? What is the meal for a lion? What is meat for a lion? What is nectar for a butterfly? What is it? It is food to them. The only one answer is, what is that? What is the milk to a baby's food is milk. Milk ఏమవుతుంది బాయ్కి? ఫుడ్ అవుతుంది. Milk is food to the boy. Grass food to the cow. Meat food to the lion. Nectar is a food to the butterfly. They are the foods. Different type of foods to different animals and also different humans. Okay? The answer to all these questions is food. All the living things need food for their survival. All the living things, not only humans, but also animals and also plants need food. Already we learned in the previous class. మనం ఇవన్నీ నేర్చుకున్నాము. ఏం కావాలి? లివింగ్ థింగ్స్కి ఫుడ్ కావాలని తెలుసుకున్నాం కదా. లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ need food, air, water to live. These are the basic needs. Without water, without food, without air, we can't live. Survival means for living. మనం బ్రతకాలంటే ఏం కావాలి మనకు? We need air, we need water and also food. Food is also very essential. It gives us energy. Okay? What about food for us? Some of food items are shown here. Name them. Different types of food items are given. Name them. You know? Rice. This is milk. Noodles. Idli. What is this? Samosa. Chapati. Bread. Chicken biryani. Puri. Parota and vada. These are the different items we may use as our food. One name of food la తీసుకుంటాం కదా. These are the different items we use in different cases. We will eat all at once. Here see. Generally we can't eat all the varieties of food at the same time or all day long. We eat some food items only at certain times of day. The food we eat in the morning is breakfast and in the afternoon is lunch. We take snacks in the evening and dinner at night. Try to identify which of the above items are generally eaten for breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner. What we will do? We will eat all these items at once. At once anta okesari మేము తీసుకుంటామా? Either we will eat these are all things all the day. అని ఎప్పుడైనా వడ ఉందిరా, వడ ఎప్పుడైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు. In the lunch break also we will take that. At the dinner time also should we take like that? No, there is a certain time is there. Timing is there. We have to take the break first. Breakfast means which is digested easily. Like dosa, like vada, like puri, like a idli. That we will take in the morning session, early morning session. That is the breakfast. We will take some items only. What are these? Dosa, idli, and also vada. Okay, these puri, parota also we are taken in the morning as a breakfast. That is a breakfast. What we will take in the morning is called as breakfast. A breakfast ఇది మాత్రమే తీసుకుంటాం. And we will take in the afternoon, the food is called lunch. What we take the food in the afternoon is called lunch. At that time we will take rice, curries, pulses, and also curd. Afternoon session మనం ఏం తింటాం? రైస్తో పాటు కర్రీస్ కలుపుకొని తింటాం, and dal and also curd. That is lunch. We will take tiffins in the morning. Tiffin is called the breakfast. Rice and also curries and curd is called the lunch. That we will take in the afternoon. The afternoon food is called the lunch. And also evening at 4 to 5 we will take a cup of tea along with the bread slices or any other items. Entivi? Either noodles or samosa as the snack. These are the snacks. Snack we will take in the evening time, 4 to 5. And at night we have to take we will take the food at night is called dinner. The food which we will take at night is called dinner. Okay, dinner also with the rice and also or chapati. Most of the people will eat chapati at night. నైట్ మనకు పడుకుంటాం కదా, డైజెషన్ సిస్టమ్ స్లోగా ఉంటుంది. అప్పుడు రైస్ కంటే చపాతి తింటే తొందరగా డైజెషన్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద పీపుల్ విల్ టేక్ చపాతి యాజ్ ద సప్పర్. సప్పర్ మీన్స్ డిన్నర్ ఓన్లీ. సప్పర్ అన్న డిన్నర్ అన్న సేమ్. Most of the people will take a chapati as the supper, means dinner, because of easy digestion. నైట్ బాగా తిన్నామనుకో ఏమవుతుంది, మనం పడుకుంటాం కదా, డైజెషన్ అవ్వదు. అందుకని ఎలాంటి ఫుడ్ తీసుకోవాలి? ద ఫుడ్ విచ్ విల్ డైజెస్ట్ ఈజీలీ. నైట్ ఫుడ్ షుడ్ బీ డైజెస్టెడ్ ఈజీలీ. మనం డే టైంలో ఎంత తిన్నా అది డైజెషన్ అవుతుంది, కానీ నైట్ టైంలో ఇట్ వోంట్ బి డైజెస్ట్ బికాస్ యూ విల్ స్లీప్. డే టైంలో ఏమవుతుందా, మనం వర్క్ చేస్తుంటాం, అటు ఇటు తిరుగుతుంటాం, కాబట్టి తొందరగా ఈజీగా డైజెషన్ అవుతుంది. ఏ ఫుడ్ తీసుకున్నా డైజెషన్ అవుతుంది. నైట్ టైంలో ఏమవుతుంది, మనం తిన్నాక ఏమవుతాం, పడుకుంటాం. we won't want no, that's what it won't be digested. That's what we have to take light food. Night we have to take light food which will digest easily. Okay, next, why do we need food? Food gives us energy to work and play. Without energy our body can't function properly. Food is essential for our growth and health. It helps our body to fight diseases. We become weak and may fall ill. If we don't eat food for few days, we can't live without food. Food is one of our basic needs. Energy, growth, health. Why do we need food? What is the need of food to us? We are taking breath. We are drinking water. Both are not enough. Air and water is not enough. Not enough. Not enough. We need energy to work. నిలబడి మనము అరవాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? If you want to read, if you want to write, if you want to fight, okay, if your mother want to cook, for all these works, ఇవన్నీ పనులకి ఏం కావాలి మనకు? We need energy. We need energy to work. We need energy to work. Where do we get the energy? We will get the energy from the food. If you eat food, you may get the energy. Night you did not eat anything. Yesterday night you did not eat anything. రాత్రి నువ్వు నిన్నంతా ఫాస్టింగ్ మీ మమ్మీ మీకు కూడా ఏం వండలేదురా, ఉపవాసం ఉన్నారు, మీరు అందరు ఫాస్టింగ్లో ఉన్నారు. టుడే ఆర్ యూ ఏబుల్ టు వర్క్? నో, వీఆర్ అన్ఏబుల్ టు డూ ఎనీ వర్క్. అండర్స్టాండ్ అవుతుందా? నిన్నంతా మీరు ఉపవాసం ఉన్నారనుకో, ఫాస్టింగ్ ఉన్నారనుకో, పొద్దున మీరు లేవలేరు. కాంట్ వేకప్, కాంట్ డూ ఎనీ వర్క్ బికాస్ యూ లాస్ట్ యువర్ ఎనర్జీ. You don't have the energy. Where do we get the energy? From the food. We get the energy from the food. Understand me? Food gives us energy to work to us. Em chestundi mana food? It is giving energy to us to function properly. Food. Okay? Food gives us energy. And also it make us to grow. If you eat food properly, proper food which is suitable to our body, which is the nutritious food, will make our body to grow. Food is essential to us. Food is very important to us. It gives us energy. It makes us to grow. It makes us to grow. మనల్ని పెరగడానికి హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది, మనకి ఎనర్జీ ఇస్తుంది, అండ్ ఆల్సో ఇట్ కెన్ ఫైట్ విత్ ద డిసీజెస్. అండర్స్టాండ్ మీ? ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ ద ఫుడ్ ప్రాపర్లీ ఇన్ 4 times, ఇలా రోజు ప్రాపర్గా ఫుడ్ తీసుకున్నాం అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? యువర్ ఇమ్యూనిటీ పవర్ మే ఇంక్రీజ్. బాగా బలం వచ్చేస్తుంది. యూ మే గెట్ ద మచ్ ఎనర్జీ. Then our food, our immunity power may fight with the diseases. మనకి ఏమైనా డిసీజ్ వచ్చినా ఏం చేస్తుంది? దాన్ని ఏమైనా ఫైట్ చేసి ఆ డిసీజ్ని చంపేస్తుంది. ఇట్ మే కిల్ ద డిసీజెస్. అండర్స్టాండ్? ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ ద ఫుడ్ ప్రాపర్లీ, యూ వోంట్ గెట్ ఇల్. You won't get a fever. You won't get sick. మీకు ఎప్పుడు సిక్ అనిపించదు. నాకు సిక్గా ఉన్నాను, I have the body pains. You don't feel like that. I got fever. Don't feel like that. When? If you eat properly. Proper food. If you take the proper food. If you take fruits, vegetables. Okay? You won't get any body pains. Next, and also if you don't take the food for few days, కంటిన్యూస్ కొద్ది రోజులు ఫుడ్ తీసుకోలేదు అనుకో, ఏమవుతుంది తెలుసా నీకు? మెడ హై. ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ టేక్ ద ఫుడ్ ఫర్ ఫ్యూ డేస్, యూ మే డై. మన ఫుడ్ లోపలికి వెళ్ళలేదనుకో మనకి ఎనర్జీ లాస్ అవుతుంది. ఎనర్జీ లాస్ ఏమవుతుంది? slowly we are going to die. That's what we should take the food in 4 times a day. Okay? This is our basic need. Food helps us to, food gives us energy, growth and healthy. Food make us healthy and it make us to grow well. Food user. So we must take the food properly. Where do we get our food from? We get food from plants and animals. Food from plants. Most of our food comes from plants. We eat different types of plant food such as vegetables, roots, leaves, stems, flowers, fruits and seeds, grains, pulses, nuts, etc. Where do we get food? We get food from plants and animals. You know that. Where we are getting food? Where we are getting rice? From the plants. Yes, no? Where we are getting meat? From the animals. where we are getting milk from animals, isn't it? Food helps us to grow and health, and also gives us energy. We get food from plants and also animals. Okay, here roots. Here we are getting these foods from the plants. What are we getting here? Okay, food gives us energy to us. We get food from plants and also animals. Here some of the food items are there that we get from plants. Some of the food items are there we get from plants. ఇవన్నీ మనకి plants దొరుకుతాయి. What are the food items? Beetroot. Beetroot is a food we get from the root, and carrot also from the root. Root is in the under the ground. Root ఎక్కడ ఉంటుందిరా? Root మనకు కనబడుతుందా? No, we can't see the root part on the surface of the earth. It is in the ground. The beetroot grows under the ground. It is as root. We can take it as root. Carrot also a root. Radish also a root. And sweet potato. These are the roots. We get these items from the plants in the form of fruits. Next, stems. Underground. These are underground. Stem only. We can see the stem. But potato, onion and yam, these stems under the ground. Actually roots మాత్రమే లోపల ఉంటాయి, ground లోపల ఉంటాయి. But these are the stems. We can see them under the ground. What are these? Potato, onion and yam. Aerial, and we can see outer. Asparagus and celery. Asparagus and celery, we can see, we can take them as a food in the form of stem. These are the stems. Next, leaves. What are the leaves? Cabbage, amaranthus, spinach. These are the leafy vegetables. These are the root vegetables. These are the stem vegetables. These are the root vegetables. These are the stems. And these are the leafy vegetables. These are the flowers. Cauliflower, broccoli and banana. These are the flowers and vegetables, fruits. Seeds also we can take. Peas, grains. These are all our food items. We will take these all items as the food. We will take these are all items as the food. మనము ఇవన్నీ ఫుడ్ లాగా తీసుకునే vegetables. We will take as vegetable form, as leafy vegetable form, as fruit form. Okay, these are all we will get from the plant. Next, food from animals. Some of the food we eat comes from animals such as goats, hens, fish, prawns, pigs and sheep. We get meat from them. We get seafood from the aquatic animals. We also eat food that animals make. For example, hen produce eggs. Cows and buffaloes gives us milk. And honeybees make honey. Most of the milk we consume comes from the dairy cattle like cows and buffaloes. These are the items we get from the plants, and these are the items we get from the animals. Honey, eggs and meat, milk, meat. These are we get from the animals. Okay. Mm, we we take the food from the animals also. We take the food from the animals. What are the animals are used? Hen is used for chicken, as chicken. Hens are used, and goat is used, and we are using fish as food, prawn as food, pigs as food, and sheep as food, and goat, hen. These are the animals we are taking as meat. We are taking these animals as the meat. Not only these animals, we are taking their, what are the animals produce. Here the hen produce egg. The hen lays eggs. That also we are using. Hen is used in two ways. Hen is used in two ways. Hen is used as meat, as food, as meat, and also hen lays egg. Egg also used as food. We are using hen in two ways. In the form of meat, in the form of egg. Okay? And also cow and buffaloes also used in two ways. Okay? Cow gives us milk and buffalo also gives us milk. Some people eat cow as meat. Some people will eat meat of cow and buffaloes also. Understand me? Cow, buffaloes, the meat kuda tintaru kontamandi. Cow and buffaloes are used as meat, and also they will give us milk. In two ways we are using that. And honeybees. We won't eat bees, but we will take honey. Okay? We will take honey. Who produce honey? Honeybees produce honey. Understand? Honeybees make honey. So we are taking honey now. The animals also giving us food. Plants are giving us food, and animals also giving us food. We are using two, animals and also plants, as food. Okay? What is your favorite dish? Why? People have different tastes. The taste of recipe depend on the ingredients used, type of cooking and skill of cook. Here, what is your favorite curry? Some will say potato, some will say chicken, some will say egg, some will say dal. Different people have different favorites. Different people have different favorites. You are there, your brother is there. You like a chicken, your brother like a mutton. Why? Because of the taste is depend on the depend on cooking. Your mummy taste ఏది వండుతుందో అది నువ్వు ఇష్టంగా తింటావు. It depend on the favorites depend on the cooking. In the cooking, what are the ingredients are used? What are the items? Curry prepare చేయాలంటే different ingredients తీసుకుంటాం కదా. If you want to prepare tea, we want tea powder, sugar and milk. These are the ingredients. Ingredients means what are the items to prepare a food. Food prepare చేయడానికి ఏ ఐటమ్స్ తీసుకుంటామో వాటన్నింటిని మనాలే ingredients. If your mother want to prepare any other curry, she need oil, chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, masalas, and also all the things. These are called ingredients. These are called ingredients. what are the ingredients used in the food, and type of cooking also, type of cooking, and also skill of cook. Some two are there, Nana. Here one expert cook are there, normal cook is there. Who can prepare the food tasty? Expert, because he knows very well how to prepare that. The taste of the curry depend on the skill of the cook. చేయడంలో ఉంటుంది. బాగా ఎక్స్పర్ట్ ఉన్నతను బాగా టేస్టీగా చేస్తారు. మోస్ట్లీ the children may attract to the grandmother's curries. పిల్లలకి నార్మల్గా ఎవరికి బాగా కర్రీ నచ్చుతాయి? ఎందుకు? గ్రాండ్ మదర్ కర్రీ బాగా నచ్చుతాయి. ఎందుకు? she may prepare for you, your mother also prepare for you deliciously, but regularly she is preparing, no? If you go to your grandmother house, ఎప్పుడో ఒకసారి వెళ్తారు కదా మీ గ్రాండ్ మదర్ వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి. సో మీ గ్రాండ్ మదర్ ఇంకా ఇంకా టేస్టీగా వండడానికి ట్రై చేస్తుంది. సో మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద చిల్డ్రన్ లైక్ గ్రాండ్ మదర్స్ కర్రీస్. హియర్ ఐడెంటిఫై ద ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్ విచ్ కెన్ బి ఈటెన్ రా వితౌట్ బీయింగ్ కుక్డ్. కుక్ చేయకుండా వండేటి ఏంటమ్మా? గ్రౌండ్ నట్స్ ఆర్ కుక్డ్ without boiling, without heating. Can you eat fish without boiling? No, it's not possible. It is also not possible. Cucumber also we will eat after cooking. Next, potato also after cooking, tomato also after cooking, rice also after cooking. Apple, we won't cook that. It is eaten by raw. Okay, దీన్ని వండకుండానే మనం తినేస్తాం. Raw means not heated. Raw means not heated. Here brinjal after cooking. Carrot we are able to eat with raw and also after cooking. In two ways we can use this. Carrot is eaten by raw. Mandani vandakunda tinta, vandi kuda tinta. It is eaten. Carrot is eaten by two ways. And meat should be heat. Meat should be boiled. These are the items eaten by raw and also boiled. Why should we cook food? Some food items can't be digested by us. If we don't cook them, proper cooking makes food soft and tasty, easy to digest and safe. After the discovery of fire, the early man learned to cook food. We need different cooking utensils to cook different varieties of food. Common cooking utensils, modern cooking appliances. Why should we cook food? What's the need of cook? If we don't cook the food, it won't be digest. Can you eat raw meat? Raw meat ante pachidi. ఇలా ఉన్న ఫుడ్ మీట్ని మనం తింటాం. కెన్ వి ఈట్ దిస్ ఫుడ్, దిస్ మీట్? If we eat raw food, it won't be digest. We may get vomiting, and also it is too hard. The raw meat is too hard. We can't bite that. It is too hard. That's what it won't be digest. Can you eat rice without cooking? No, it is too hard. Can you eat rice without cooking? It's not possible to us. It is not possible to us without cooking the rice, meat and any other curries. And pachi mana tinlem because it won't be digest, and also it is too hard. We can't bite that. చాలా గట్టిగా ఉంటుంది కదా, మనము దాన్ని నమ్మలేము, గ్రైండ్ చేయలేము. సో వీ నీడ్ టు కుక్. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ వి కుక్ ఇట్ బికమ్స్ సాఫ్ట్. రైస్ నార్మల్గా రైస్ గట్టిగా ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని వండా మనకి ఎలా ఉంటుంది? సాఫ్ట్, మెత్తగా అయిపోతుంది. దెన్ వీ కెన్ బైట్. we can swallow. Then the food may digest easily in the stomach. Understand the process? If you eat the raw food, we can't bite because it is too hard. You can't swallow also. That's what we have to boil. We have to cook. If we cook, it is soft and easy to digest. Okay, that's what we have to cook the food. These are the after the discovery of fire. After the discovery of fire, we learn to cook food. Before that, the early man, before the discovery of fire, before the invention of fire, the early man ate raw food only. He doesn't know how to make fire. Before the discovery of fire, early man ate raw food. Pacha food tinnadanta. After the discovery of fire, after the learning of fire to make, then he boiled the food. Then he knows how to cook the food. Okay? These are the utensils. Common utensils we can use in the house. These are the modern cooking appliances. Means electric appliances. We may use electric rice cooker. We are using nowadays now. These are the electric appliances we use to cook the food. Okay, today's class is completed. Bye.